Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to stop Mcafee alerts on your Windows PC. First, open your default browser like Chrome or Edge. Click the three dots menu in the top right. Go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. If you see any Mcafee extensions, click Remove to delete them. Next, go back to the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Site Settings. Then go to Notifications. Under Allowed to send notifications, find any Mcafee sites. Click the three-dot icon next to them and choose Black. And that's it. That's how to stop Mcafee alerts on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.